Okay, we're freezing our butts off working on a 2017 Ford Escape Titanium. Titanium trim is push to start equipped, and we are going to use the MVP to bypass the security protocol. Ford, Europe. We're going to go to focus. 2016 proximity. Our ignition is off. Part number, 3 keys programmed. We're going to go to special functions, program procs. 2 keys are required to start the vehicle. Okay. This should be very short. Okay, the flat spot is going to be right underneath your radio here. Just lay it flat. The key's programmed for. No. Procedure complete. All right, now let's see if it works. Keyless entry works, and let's try to start it. There you go, bada bing, bada boom, 2017 Ford Escape Titanium.